What to do if Instagram deleted your post? In today's video, we're going to talk about what to do if Instagram deletes your post and how to recover them. Whether it was a glitch or an accidental deletion, I'll share 5 ways you can try to get your post back. So let's dive right in. First off, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes posts may appear to be deleted because of a connection issue. Try switching from Wi Fi to mobile data or vice versa and then check if the post reappears. Next, check your Instagram archive. Instagram has a feature that hides your posts instead of deleting them. To access your archive, go to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines, and simply select Archive. If your post was archived, you can restore it from here. Simply tap on Post Archive, and here you can find the post if it's been here. Simply tap on three dots and simply tap on Show on Profile if that's the case. Another option is to visit Instagram's Help Center. If your post was deleted for a privacy policy violation, Instagram will send you a notification explaining why it was removed. You can simply visit the Help Center for more details and see if there's an option to appeal. Now, if your post was accidentally deleted or you can't recover it, you can always simply check on the three dots. From there, scroll down until you find an option that says your activity. Here you can simply find an option called recently deleted. Here all your recently deleted posts will be over here. Simply tap on the deleted post and simply click on recover. Now, if you've tried all of the above and still can't find your post, your last option is to contact Instagram support. You can do this by tapping on the three horizontal bars, scroll down and simply find an option that says help. And here you can simply tap a problem, report a problem without shaking, and here simply click on include and continue and explain what your problem is. So those are the 5 ways to recover or troubleshoot deleted